Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain 9 elements reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from the site or not. Guys, people from United States are curious to know about this amazing website, and if you have experienced any fraud over this site, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So it is an online shopping store that deals with vinegar based or powdered laundry and home cleaning items. You can take a look at the product category list. So you will get home cleaning items, laundry care items as well, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Now talking about the payment information of this website, let's check out the payment info. So for that you need to visit the bottom of the web page and few options. So guys, they have a store policy page in which you can get the entire information, whether it is related to payment information or whether it is related to um, shipping info as well. So here is the store policy, guys. So here they have mentioned the payment information. Let's check out the payment info. So you can see the website accepts online payment via Visa, Mastercard, Discover Card, and American Express. Now talking about the shipping policy, so here they have mentioned the orders typically delivered within 5 to 8 business days. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So the site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. And when it comes to the domain information, guys, this website's domain was created on 21st of August 2018. It means that this site is more than 2 years old, and this is a sign of legitimacy. So when it comes to the company's information, let's check out the About Us page. So this is the About Us page, guys. Here they have provided the business offering information. Apart from that, they have mentioned business owner information as well. Because they have mentioned that it was created by scientists Sunny and Sarah as an eco-friendly solution that wouldn't irritate skin. So this is a positive sign, but yes, no business establishment here is available or mentioned in the page, which is a negative sign. Now when it comes to the contact details, you will check out the contact us page. Here they have mentioned a query form, but yes, at the bottom of the web page they have provided the address details, which is a negative sign. Sorry, guys, which is a positive sign, and apart from that they have not provided the contact number, which is a negative sign. Now when it comes to the social media presence, the site has social media presence on Instagram and Facebook. Guys, the site comes with 924 of followers on Facebook, and let me show you the number of count followers on Instagram. So this is 1727. Apart from that, we have found a little engagement on the social media platforms, which is a positive sign. Now when it comes to the return policy, let's check out the return policy of the site. Guys, you can also check out the return policy in the store policy section because they have mentioned the entire information in this page. So this is the return policy section and they have mentioned 30 days of return policy. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And when it comes to the 9 elements reviews, we have found positive reviews on the official website, which is a positive sign, guys. So let me show you, let us check out the multi-purpose cleaner here, and they have provided the enough description about this product, which is a positive sign, and it automatically define its legitimacy. So this is the section, and here we have mentioned 3.3 star rating out of 5, which is a positive sign, guys. And here they have mentioned the comments or feedbacks along with the product images. So this is a positive sign, and this definitely proves the legitimacy of this particular site. Apart from that, the trust index score of this site is 86%, which is a positive sign, and the site is quite much popular, guys. So yes, in the final conclusion, we would say the website appears to be a legit website. You can give it a try, and we also recommend you to check out the entire information before making a decision. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.